there is far more to the story of what this line can do for the druggist. Once more, the second call of that three-call line means that the film customer buys other items she needs. She sees and buys those things that are only remembered when they are seen in the store. The informal, neighborly atmosphere of most stores makes related selling a natural, logical technique. It's one way, for instance, to handle a situation like this. Babies and snapshots are inseparable. Where the druggist's own experience has kindled his enthusiasm, sharing that interest with the customer simply comes under the heading of pleasure. Here again, it would be strange indeed if anyone, getting ready for a picnic, responded with anything less than gratitude to such a completely appropriate suggestion. Again, the customer is glad to be reminded that she'll want to make pictures when she goes to that cottage on the lake. Related sales as helpful suggestions, that is not high-pressure salesmanship. And best of all, whenever a related sale of film is made, once again the profitable sequence of the three-call line is set in motion.